Amidst the upcoming residential hub along the Delhi-Aligarh GT road is the changing face of the historical town of Bulandshahr, which despite its booming industry has remained a hidden gem. The MMR Group is now engineering its crowning glory, the MMR Vone. Consisting of MMR Construction Company and MMR Infrastructure Developers Private Limited, the MMR Group is driven by a belief in serving the people. For over half a century now, the group has been providing not just quality structures but also quality lives through social endeavors like the establishment of schools in Noida and Bulandshahr. The group's latest offering, the MMR Vone Mall, is envisioned to be the pride of Bulandshahr. Ideally located in the NCR, MMR Vone will cater to the region's booming economy. A first-of-its-kind, state-of-the-art business and entertainment destination, MMR Vone offers great value for money. Elegantly designed with a reach of 4 floors, MMR Vone offers over 1,50,000 square feet of retail space. While pathways are interspersed with an abundant green cover, architectural accents enhance the visitor's experience. Visitors can choose from surface or underground parking and make use of the dedicated lifts that provide direct access. Multiple entrances ensure convenience and easy accessibility. Engineered with care and developed with great attention to detail, MMR Vone provides expansive layouts and effective space management. The spacious atrium provides a sneak peek of the large variety on offer. With its host of Indian and international brands, the well-stocked hypermarket and specialty restaurant, the ground floor and first floor in itself is a complete shopping experience. The world-class entertainment options starts with the extensive food court. Multi-cuisine restaurants abound, making it the perfect family destination. Catering to the guest's need for a quick bite or a restful meal, the extended food court has a taste to match every mood. Next door is the International Standard Health Club with spa, sauna and many more. A dedicated zone for health and beauty. Complete privacy is ensured here through a separate entry lounge and lifts so that indulgence can be enjoyed at leisure. While kids regale themselves with the choicest gadgets and games at the entertainment zone, a separate lounge bar for the adults lies in wait. The well-planned MMR Vone even offers a wide range of office spaces that motivate and inspire, ensuring work hours here are always a source of pleasure. At the first multiplex of the city, the 4 giant screens offer the residents a show like never before. At the very height of MMR Vone offer is the elegant banquet hall, complete with a room each for the bride and the groom, the perfect destination for that special occasion. So, whether it's the need to meet necessities, occupy idle hours, or indulge one's fine taste, a visit to MMR Vone is sure to be a pleasure. Be a part of India's growing story. Be a part of its drive for distinction. Be a proud stakeholder at MMR Vone.